Recently, India saw improving figures of GDP growth rate, with the GDP rising by 20.1%. However, there has also been worrying news of increasing unemployment rate in August. This is the graphical interpretation of the latest figure from the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, a private body tracking unemployment figures in the country, and shows that the nation unemployment rate rose by 1.37%. That is, the total unemployment rate in the July was 6.96%, which jumped to 8.32% in August. The following graph shows the urban unemployment rate rising by 1.5 to 9.78% in August. Even the rural unemployment rate showed an increase of 1.3 to 7.64%. The number of employed people in the country stood at 39.77 crores in August, as against 39.93 crores in July. This year, the absorption into the agriculture sector in July was around 11.2 million. This is the Kharif season, time for sowing and post-sowing agricultural activities. When this season comes to an end, it's likely that the agriculture laborers will lose their source of employment, as seen in the August figures, where the rural unemployment increased as opposed to the July figures, due to the low sowing and rain fluctuations in July, resulting in 16 lakh lost jobs in 1 month. This seasonal employment is often seen as disguised unemployment, leaving the daily wage farm workers to look for alternative source of employment after the season ends. The economy will need to provide better source of employment to absorb this labor. Salary jobs were at 76.5 million in the month of July, which was 3.2 million less than they were in June. These were also 3.6 million short of the pre-second wave level of 80 million in January-March 2021. Compared to the pre-pandemic times when salary jobs were of the order of 87 million, the fall is much larger at over 10 million. The several lockdowns since April 2020 and their debilitating effects on the economy have caused the salary jobs workers the most, said Mahesh Vyas, Managing Director and CEO of Center for Monitoring Indian Economy Private Limited, in his article Nothing to Rejoice in addition of 16 million jobs. The state-wise data shows 8 states with unemployment rate in double digits, with Haryana leading with 35.7%, followed by Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Tirupura, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, Goa, and the national capital, Delhi. The state of Sikkim showed zero unemployment rate. In conclusion, even though the GDP figure shows an increase, the job market is lagging behind. Unless new avenues and investments in the job sector don't open up and absorb the 10 million salary jobs lost since 2019 to 20, India's recovery will remain stunned despite an increase in GDP.